Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about an essential organ that plays a vital role in our overall health, the kidneys. Taking care of your kidneys is crucial for maintaining good health and preventing various kidney-related issues. In this video, we'll share 7 essential tips to help you keep your kidneys healthy. So let's dive right in. Segment 1. Stay hydrated. Our kidneys function as filters, removing waste and toxins from our bodies. Staying properly hydrated helps them do their job effectively. Aim to drink at least 8 cups, 64 ounces of water per day, or more if you have an active lifestyle or live in a hot climate. Remember, hydration is key to maintaining healthy kidneys. Segment 2. Eat a balanced diet. A healthy diet is crucial for kidney health. Include foods that are low in sodium, saturated fats, and added sugars, while being rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These choices help prevent high blood pressure and reduce the risk of kidney disease. Also, limit your intake of processed foods as they often contain high amounts of sodium. Segment 3. Control blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage. Monitor your blood pressure regularly and take steps to keep it under control. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, limiting sodium intake, reducing stress, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can all help maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Segment 4. Maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is not just beneficial for your overall well-being, but also for your kidneys. Excess weight puts strain on the kidneys and increases the risk of developing kidney disease. Engage in regular physical activity, eat a balanced diet, and make healthier lifestyle choices to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Segment 5. Avoid excessive use of over-the-counter drugs. Over-the-counter medications like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, such as ibuprofen and aspirin, can cause kidney damage if used excessively. Only take medications as directed, and if you have any concerns, consult your healthcare provider. Remember, your kidney health is important, and you should take precautions with any medications you take. Segment 6. Quit smoking and limit alcohol consumption. Smoking damages blood vessels and decreases blood flow to the kidneys, making them less efficient. Additionally, excessive alcohol consumption can lead to high blood pressure and liver disease, which negatively impact kidney function. Quit smoking and limit alcohol intake to protect your kidneys and improve your overall health. Segment 7. Regular health checkups. Lastly, regular health checkups are crucial for early detection and prevention of kidney issues. Visit your healthcare provider regularly to monitor your kidney function, blood pressure, and overall health. They can also provide personalized advice based on your specific needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Take care of your kidneys. Take care of your health. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.